Hey everyone, Chef Rob Schwam here with Link 2 Hospitality Solutions, and welcome to the Cooking in the Kitchen with Rob. Because it's National Cheesecake Day, what better way to show you a countertop mixer by Globe, the SP5, which is their 5-quart countertop mixer. So the SP5 has a couple of really cool key features that I'll show you right now. It's got a basket or bowl lift, so it'll lift when you're ready to mix, as well as 2 latches for safety, making sure that the bowl is stationary when you're mixing. It's a very heavy-duty, high-gauge steel with a rolled rim, so the bowl construction is very solid. It also has a gear-driven motor on top that are vented from the sides, and the variable going from 1 to be a very slow mix versus 10 to be a very high mix, more for beating. All right, let's make some cheesecake. All right, so step 1, which is already finished, is I did my graham cracker crust in my springform pans. What I'm gonna do now is cream the cream cheese with sugar. So I've got 4 pounds of cream cheese here. And I'm going to put in my 2 cups of sugar. That. So the first step is for creaming. I'm gonna put my bowl guard here, lock my bowl in place, and I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna start on the first speed, just to get everything incorporated. All right, we're done mixing. I'm gonna take my bowl guards down, out. And now I'm ready to fill my springform pans. Now the cheesecakes are ready to go into the steamer. Let's go. All right, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go 190 degrees in my Blodgett Combi, 190 degrees steam for about 1 hour. And what that's gonna do is basically sous vide the cheesecake without it cracking. Perfect. All right, so while we have the cheesecakes in, I'll show you a really quick way to do the best whipped cream ever. And again, we're using the SP5 with the whip attachment. So first I have 4 cups or a quart of heavy cream, as well as 3.5 cups of confectionery sugar. Now because I put the confectionery sugar in on top, I want to start really low on speed 1, just so I don't get an explosion of confectionery sugar. So we'll start on 1. Make sure it's nice and incorporated. And now we're going to get this baby rolling. While that's going, I'm going to put a couple teaspoons of vanilla in there as well. Now whipped cream is very finicky, in that if you go too short, it's still going to be runny. If I go too long, it basically turns into butter. Well, it turns into butter. So I want to get it just when I start getting peaks, pull it, chill it, and I'll put it in a piping bag for our cheesecake. But a very simple way to make whipped cream using the SP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me showing you the Globe SP5. Happy Cheesecake Day.